Hey buddies, welcome to Tech Help channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi friends, in this video we are going to know few things about Jamboard, how to log in Jamboard, how to work with Jamboard and how to share Jamboard with your students. So in Google you can type Jamboard and you will go for a page like this. Jamboard is one of the workspace that is already given by Google. So here what you're going to do is, since I have already logged in, I have directed to this Jamboard page. Normally when you go for Google Jamboard, it will ask you to sign in, or sometimes it will directly go into the Jamboard through the mail which you are already logged in your system or in your mobile. So I have already logged in my Blesson Sam account, so directly I have got into Google Jamboard, or else it will ask you to sign in with Google. So when you sign in with your Google account, you can directly go into this Jamboard page. So this is how my Jamboard page will be. When you are opening it fresh, you can't see anything, just the pages will be empty. You have to click this plus icon right here, and you have to create a new jam or Jamboard. So I'm going to create a new Jamboard just by clicking here. So my untitled Jamboard or new Jamboard is created. So if I want to rename it, I can just type the untitled name. If I type the click there, I can rename. So demo, I'm just going to demo 2 or something like that. I'm just going to type it and I'm going to click OK. My Jamboard name will be renamed. So I have to set some sort of kind of background. So I'm going to set a kind of background. Either I can select by default, or I can go in search of any photos. Can upload, I can go for Google search. So a background like pleasant background, pleasant I'm just going to search for a Google image. So many images will come up, so I'm going to select one of the image there and I'm going to set as a frame background. So my image is right there. So what I'm going to do next is, if you don't like that image, you can click clear frame, the images will be removed. And once the Jamboard is ready, you can present it to your students. Your students can edit on it. So how you can present or how you can share with your students, later I'll say about that. And what are the tools you have in Jamboard is, you have pen, you have eraser, you have selection icon, you have sticky notes, you have add image, you have circle icon, text box and the laser box. So these are the few tools that you have in Jamboard. So if I want to select a pen, I can select a pen, and different types of pen will appear. So normal pen, like highlighter is there, marker is there, brush is there. So 4 different kind of pens are there. I can select any color, like red color I'm going to select. I'm going to select marker, and I'm going to write something like good. So like something like that is good. I have typed something like good, and if I want to erase that, I can go for eraser. I can select eraser, and if I want to erase it, I can erase it. Yeah, fine. And then if I want to select something, or if I want to go for a sticky note, I'm going to type something, any points, like note this point. So any sort of sticky note, any points, I can add it, and I can, if I'm going to save, it will be saved, note this point. And if I want to select that, I can use this selection tool, and I can select that. And you can add image. I'm going to upload some sort of image. Iron Man, so that's one of my favorite character. So I'm going to search for Iron Man, and I'm going to select some image, and I'm going to insert. So the image will appear here. And if I want to delete that, and just again select that, and I can use the delete button, or I can click here and I can delete. And circle, so circle is a tool. You can draw a circle, or if you want to delete that, you can delete it. And you have a text box. You can type something, right, Jamboard or something like that, and I can enlarge it. Or if I want to change the color, I can change the color. And laser is nothing but just making the students to pinpoint, or making the students to help in attending that particular word, attentively look at the particular word. So for that you can use laser. So this is it with the Jamboard tools and this page. And you can add by clicking here. You can using add frame, you can go for next frame. If you click on, the frames will be added up. So you can use you can create a number of padlets, a number of Jamboard according to the group members. Like if you have 10 groups in the class, 10 Jamboards, and you can segregate the students into 10 different groups, and team number 1 can work with the Padlet number 1, Jamboard number 1. Team 2 can work with the Jamboard number 2. So something like that, you can assign your students and they will work in that. And if you want to share, this is the very important thing. So when you click here, share, the page will come like this, and change to anyone with the link. I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to change the viewer option into editor option. If I change that editor option, students can work with the palette, or else it is hard. So I'm just going to copy the link, and I'm going to give done, and I'm going to give it in the Google Meet, Zoom, WhatsApp chat, whatever it may be, and students can work and edit in that. And the special feature is Jamboard comes along with the Google Meet. So Jamboard is an inbuilt option in Google Meet. So you can variable access with that. It will be quite good. So this is what with the Jamboard. Hope it is useful for you. You have learned something, I believe. Thank you.